In this video, we delve into the profound power of words and their remarkable ability to shape our reality. Language is not merely a tool for communication. It holds the potential to influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. The significance of intention behind our words cannot be overstated, as it plays a crucial role in determining the outcomes we experience in our lives. By consciously choosing our language, we can create a more positive and fulfilling existence. Furthermore, we explore the fascinating intersection of science and spirituality, where sound and words are understood not just as vibrations, but as forces that can alter our state of being. Research in fields like quantum physics reveals that our thoughts and spoken words can resonate with the universe, impacting our reality in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. This brings us to the transformative potential of affirmations and self-talk. By harnessing the power of positive language, we can rewire our subconscious mind, fostering self-belief and resilience. Engaging in intentional self-talk can lead to profound changes in our mental and emotional landscapes, empowering us to overcome challenges and manifest our desires. Join us as we explore these concepts and uncover how the words we choose can truly transform our lives. Words are not just a means of communication. They are powerful vibrations that resonate with the cosmos, influencing our internal frequencies and the energies we attract. Each word we speak carries a unique vibrational frequency that can align with our intentions, drawing in energies that match our desires. When we articulate our thoughts and feelings, we send out signals into the universe, creating a magnetic pull that can manifest our aspirations. This process can be likened to magic, where the act of speaking becomes a ritual that shapes our reality. Communication transcends mere interaction. It is an alchemical process that transforms our inner world and the external circumstances we encounter. By consciously choosing our words, we wield the power to create change, both within ourselves and in the world around us. Furthermore, words serve as tools for manifesting our desired realities. When we express our intentions clearly and positively, we set in motion a series of events that can lead to the fulfillment of our dreams. This concept underscores the importance of mindfulness in our language, as the vibrations we emit can either uplift or hinder our progress. By understanding the profound impact of our words, we can harness their potential to align our internal frequencies with the abundant possibilities the universe has to offer. In exploring the connection between sound physics and ancient scriptures, we uncover fascinating insights into how sound influences our reality. One intriguing concept is cymatics, the study of visible sound vibrations. When sound waves interact with a medium, such as water or sand, they create intricate patterns that visually represent the frequencies at play. This phenomenon echoes the teachings found in ancient texts, which often emphasize the significance of sound and vibration in the creation of the universe. Masaru Emoto's groundbreaking experiments on water further illuminate this connection. Emoto discovered that water exposed to different words and intentions formed distinct crystalline structures, showcasing the profound impact language can have on matter. These findings suggest that our words and thoughts not only affect our internal states, but also resonate with the physical world around us. The implications of these discoveries challenge our understanding of reality, revealing that our perceptions and experiences are intricately linked to the vibrations we emit. By recognizing the power of sound and its ability to shape our environment, we can begin to appreciate the wisdom embedded in ancient scriptures that speak of the creative force of sound. This exploration invites us to reconsider how we communicate and interact with the world, emphasizing the importance of mindful expression in our daily lives. Affirmations hold a transformative power that can reshape our subconscious and significantly influence our lives. By incorporating positive affirmations into our daily routines, we can manifest health, confidence, and overall well-being. These affirmations serve as powerful statements that reinforce our self-worth and aspirations, allowing us to cultivate a mindset that aligns with our goals. The language we use in these affirmations is crucial. Employing present tense phrases fosters a sense of immediacy and acceptance within our subconscious. When we affirm statements like, "I am healthy," or "I am confident," we signal to our minds that these truths are already part of our reality, making it easier for our subconscious to embrace them. This shift in perception can lead to profound changes in our behavior and outlook, ultimately guiding us toward the lives we desire. Encouraging viewers to practice affirmations regularly can be a catalyst for personal transformation. By dedicating just a few moments each day to recite positive affirmations, individuals can begin to rewire their thought patterns, replacing self-doubt and negativity with empowerment and optimism. This practice not only enhances self-esteem, but also opens the door to new opportunities and experiences. Embracing the power of affirmations can lead to a more fulfilling and vibrant life, making it an essential tool for anyone seeking growth and change. Repetition of affirmations plays a crucial role in creating neural pathways in the brain, a concept rooted in neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new connections and pathways in response to experiences and learning. This adaptability means that our thoughts and behaviors can be reshaped over time, allowing us to cultivate positive changes in our lives. When we consistently practice affirmations, we reinforce specific thought patterns, gradually embedding them into our neural circuitry. This process is essential for forming new habits, as the brain thrives on repetition. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles, the repetition of positive affirmations strengthens the neural pathways associated with those affirmations, making them more accessible and automatic in our daily lives. Encouraging viewers to embrace this practice can empower them to recognize the brain's incredible adaptability. By understanding that their thoughts can influence their brain structure, individuals can take charge of their mental landscape. Consistent affirmation practice not only fosters self-belief and resilience, but also helps to replace negative thought patterns with empowering ones. As viewers commit to this journey of self-discovery and transformation, they will witness the profound impact of their words on their brain and, ultimately, their lives. Embracing the power of repetition can lead to lasting change and a more positive outlook on life. Exploring how group intentions can influence reality and societal patterns reveals the profound impact of collective consciousness. One notable example is the Global Consciousness Project, which investigates the effects of mass meditation and collective intention on global events. This project has demonstrated that when large groups of people focus their thoughts and intentions on a specific outcome, measurable changes can occur in the environment, suggesting a tangible connection between collective consciousness and reality. Additionally, studies have shown that group prayers and intentions can lead to significant reductions in crime rates and improvements in societal well-being. For instance, organized meditation sessions aimed at promoting peace have been linked to decreases in violence and crime in various communities, highlighting the power of unified intention. These findings underscore the interconnectedness of individual and collective consciousness, illustrating how our thoughts and intentions can ripple outwards, affecting not just our personal lives, but also the broader societal landscape. When individuals come together with a shared purpose, they create a powerful force that can shift collective energy and influence outcomes. This interconnectedness invites us to recognize our role in the larger tapestry of existence, encouraging us to harness the power of group intentions for positive change. By understanding this dynamic, we can actively participate in shaping a more harmonious and compassionate world through our collective efforts. The relationship between mental narratives and physical health is a fascinating area of study that highlights the profound impact our thoughts can have on our well-being. One of the most compelling examples of this connection is the placebo effect, which demonstrates how belief can lead to real physiological changes in the body. When individuals believe they are receiving treatment, even if it's a sugar pill, they often experience significant improvements in their condition. This phenomenon underscores the power of belief and its implications for healing, suggesting that our mental narratives can directly influence our physical health. Conversely, negative narratives can manifest as physical ailments, illustrating how stress, anxiety, and pessimism can lead to various health issues. For instance, chronic negative thinking can contribute to conditions such as hypertension, digestive disorders, and even chronic pain. This highlights the importance of cultivating positive mental states, as they can foster resilience and promote healing. Encouraging viewers to be mindful of their internal dialogues can empower them to shift their narratives toward positivity. By consciously choosing to focus on uplifting thoughts and affirmations, individuals can create a healthier mental environment that supports their physical health. This practice not only enhances overall well-being, but also encourages a proactive approach to health, reminding us that our minds and bodies are intricately connected. In this video, we have explored the transformative power of words and intentions in shaping our reality. We discussed how language acts as a vibration that resonates with the cosmos, influencing not only our internal states, but also the world around us. By harnessing the power of positive affirmations, we can rewire our subconscious, fostering health, confidence, and resilience. The importance of consistent practice in affirmations was highlighted, emphasizing how repetition can create new neural pathways in the brain, ultimately leading to lasting change. Additionally, we examined the impact of group intentions and collective consciousness, illustrating how our shared thoughts can influence societal patterns and well-being. As we conclude, we encourage you to practice mindfulness and incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. By doing so, you can cultivate a more empowering mental narrative that supports your overall health and happiness. We invite you to engage with us further by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your participation not only helps spread awareness about the power of words and intentions, but also fosters a community dedicated to personal growth and transformation. Together, let's continue to explore the incredible potential within us to shape our realities through the words we choose and the intentions we set.